New arrival here at MarineMax Crosslake, Barletta 2026 Sanza 22QC. Done up with a nice sporty looking black gray interior. Has the dock and doggy view see-through doors, front and side. JBL stereo system, front and rear audio chargers. We have done and added an optional ski locker to the center tune. American flag, ski tow bar, telescopic ladder. This is our budget-friendly version, so we do have a manual easy fold bimini system, a sporty black steering wheel, high quality gauges, equipped with depth finder, and a wireless stereo system. Come on out, check out our new budget-friendly, high quality Barletta Sanza 22QC.